If you are a car guy, you can see beauty in any little things about cars. Even just looking at a beautiful car on the road can make you feel good sometimes. Before we start, kindly like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell icon because we don't want you to miss any of our interesting videos. It feels so good to watch such a powerful drift. This black car is going to shoot anyone in its way. This feeling of uncovering something beautiful is like unpacking a surprise gift. Ah, the wheel is on fire. Using a string of floss to remove a badge without damaging your car is a rare talent. How beautifully he has done his job. This car's interior looks quite remarkable, don't you think so? There is nothing more satisfying than watching this. This black polish is so mesmerizing to watch, and doing this would be even more enjoyable. It is something that would make you feel innovative. If you're a car guy, any car-related thing can fascinate you. How do you guys see this burning oil scene? Let us know in the comments. This one is cute. Old Granny was excited, but unexpectedly she nearly had a heartache. She's adorable though. Passengers, I advise you to put on your seatbelts as the pilot is about to take off. We are about 3 miles away from our destination. Last but not least, I want to thank you for choosing My Car Looks Like a DJ's Mix Booth in a Crowded Nightclub Airlines. Have a nice trip, and please don't be surprised if you don't find wings on the side.
Car Navigation by Panasonic.
This one is specifically for car racing lovers. Even if you are not a car guy, you may find this video satisfying. We often play with markers to feel good, not necessarily on wheels. Markers, paints, and brushes never fail to relieve your stress and anxiety. You can also count on this video in the list of stress-relieving activities. Polishing rims can make you feel as good as cleaning or renewing your room. It seems like removing your dead skin and discovering that smooth, glowing skin. If you imagine that feeling, it actually feels satisfying. This is not something recommended, but doing this might be fun for some guys. Sometimes illusions are good for your mental health, isn't it? This drift, though. Cars also get angry sometimes. Disclaimer, don't try this at home. It feels wonderful after getting your big task done, specifically when your mission is as big as this wheel. The way these men are doing their work is truly impressive. This display of beautiful cars is genuinely refreshing. If you were a true car guy, this place would be the world's most wonderful place for you. Car guys can understand the beauty of this scene. If you love winters, not necessarily your car would love that weather too. Still, if seeing your car all covered in snow makes you feel good, go for it. It's your choice. This red car looks absolutely cool. If you are relatively senior, you will feel connected to these logos. Young cool car guys may not feel that way. Even if you don't find this video satisfying, that green light is so gratifying. Green is indeed a sign of satisfaction. Have you ever thought about why kids break and damage things more often?
Уже начинаю вот пальчиками подтягивать так. Оп, оп, насколько мне надо. Высоту, уровень. Оп.
Nothing can beat this level of satisfaction. We hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Also, let us know in the comments section below about your favorite part of this video. Keep loving your cars. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.